How to cancel your Shopify subscription and close your store. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do so. So before you do that, I just need to say two things. First is you will need to go ahead and uninstall every single app that you have used, just in case it does actually have subscriptions. You don't really want to go through that headache. So what you want to do is just go to settings, go to apps, and make sure you uninstall anything in here. Okay, so that's step one. Step two, you also want to disconnect any domain that you have already connected other than the one that they give you. So you can just again click on domains within settings and make sure you disconnect that as well. So once you do these two things, now you can just feel free to really cancel your subscription. You can go to settings, go to plan, and you should be able to find cancel subscription. You just want to click on that, and then you can just feel free to cancel your plan, select the reason. And once you're done, it's just going to cancel the trial, and you should be able to deactivate your store as well. Now I need to note that once you actually deactivate your store, I believe your Shopify is going to be saved for about 30 days and you can restore it, if I'm not mistaken. So you have that time to rethink maybe. But yeah, this is pretty much all you need to do. So hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.